Hello viewers, you are welcome. In today's tutorial we are going to be solving this beautiful algebra problem. So let's see how we are going to do. So now I'm going to be rewriting this equation. I will let root x be equals y. This implies that x is going to be y squared. So now from there, what are we going to do? So now anywhere I see root x, I'm going to replace it with y. So this is going to be y plus, then x is going to be y squared, right? Then equals what? Equals 3. So I'm going to write this equation in this form: y squared plus y, then minus 3 equals 0. So you can see that here I've reduced this equation to be in this form. So this is quadratic equation in terms of y. So now how am I going to factorize this? I cannot factorize it. What I can do is to introduce or use quadratic formula. So now comparing this with general quadratic equation, you can see that a is going to be the coefficient of y squared, that is 1. B will be the constant coefficient of y, that is also 1. Then we are going to have the constant term to be c, which is minus 3. So now from there we have what? We have y to be equals minus b plus or minus b squared, okay, minus 4ac all over what? All over 2a. So now from there, so we have the a to be 1, we have y minus b is 1. I'm going to write b plus or minus, then the square root of the b is 1. I have 1 squared minus 4 times a is 1. I put 1 c, and we have what? We have c to be minus 3, then divided by 2 a is 1 multiplied by 1. So we have y equals minus 1 plus or minus square root of 1 square is 1 minus 4 times this is going to give us plus 12, then divided by 2. So now from here, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to have y to be equals minus 1 plus or minus, and this is going to be root 13 all over 2. So now from there we have y to be equals minus 1 plus root 13 all over 2, or we have y equals minus 1 minus root 13 all over 2. So now from here, so we see that we have y to be this and this. But now I want you to recall from the beginning where we replace y. We said root y should be, or root x should be y. So root x is y. So now if root x is 1, definitely here y must always be greater than 0, because the square root of x, the square root of number will always give positive, so it cannot be negative. So from here now, so we are going to discard this one, okay. So y here will be rejected, okay. Then we go with what? We go with this one. Are you getting it now? So but don't forget that this is y and we are looking for x. So according to what we did, so this is same thing as, or this same thing as x will be y squared, okay, because I've said that earlier. So now we have x, that is x we are looking for, though we are going to pick this. X is now going to be the value of y we got. You can have it to be root 13 minus 1. We can write this like this, taking the root 13 first, all to the power of 2. Are you getting it now? So if you simplify this further, we're going to have x equals, now here we can have root 13 minus 1 all squared all over 2 raised to power 2, we're going to have 4. So now here we're going to have root 13 minus 1, okay, multiplied by root 13 minus 1, then divided by what? Divided by 4. So now from here we have x to be equals, now here root 13 times root 13, so that's going to be 13. Root 13 times this, we're going to have minus root 13. Root 13 minus 1 times root 13, we have minus root 13. Then here we have plus 1 all over what? All over 4. Then we have x to be, so 13 plus 1, that will give us 14, and minus 2 root what? 13 all over what? All over 4. So from here we're going to have x equals, so what is common here? 2 is common, I will take 2 outside. So this will be 7 minus root 13, then divided by 4. So now from here, I'm going to be having 2 here. We cancel 2 here, 2. So we're going to have 7 minus root 13 divided by 2. So 7 minus root 13 divided by 2 is the solution to the problem. If you find this class very interesting, please kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit on the bell icon so that you'll be notified anytime you upload new content. Thank you. Bye-bye.